How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. You all are safe into your homes. So my name is Dakshata Patil and I'm first year BSc student and I study in Atharva College of Hotel Management. So today I'm going to show you the Paradise cocktail. So what are we waiting for? Let's make this.
In a serving glass, add quarter ounce of grenadine, to that we'll be adding some ice cubes. We'll add some more ice cubes as it slows down the flow of the alcohol and helps us build our layers. Now we'll add the pineapple mixture. In this mixture, I've taken 3 ounces of fresh pineapple juice and 2 ounces of coconut rum. Last but not the least, we'll be adding our blue curacao syrup that has been cut by water. Now we'll garnish it with a piece of pineapple and put in a straw. And we'll even garnish it with some pineapple leaves. And here we have a paradise cocktail ready.